My dear friends, when we were discussing about the level of 4570 in the last few days, to be honest, I was not expecting that it would be so important because yesterday, throughout the day, market was trying to cross the level and it failed. We discussed about the selling opportunity after liquidity grab, and yes, it did pretty well. Right now, we can see that gold is trading around 4530 area. Okay, and gold is still struggling to break the important level of 4600. So, my dear friend, if you are a day trader, then listen to me carefully because today, during the day, there's a high chance that 4570 will no longer work because if you look at the chart, you can see market has already tested the level of 4570, 4580 couple of times. So there's a high chance that market will try to head towards 4600 today. So if you are looking for a selling opportunity on 457075 again, there's a high chance that you may be trapped. So be careful. So so today it's safer for us to look for a sell position on 4600. In my previous videos also, I have mentioned that we have a sell zone around 4585 to 460. It's a big zone, the yellow box that you see here. But here also today we will be looking for a liquidity grab. So if market breaks 4600, okay, wait for some time. There's a high chance that market will come down. Okay, when market will come down, we can look for a sell below 4600. And if you're looking for a buy at breakout, you need to be careful because right now the fundamentals are not supporting any breakout here. So there's a high chance of liquidity grab because for the direction of the market, we need the support from the fundamental. Without fundamentals, there cannot be uptrend, downtrend. Trend is always decided by the fundamentals. So if market breaks also, okay, it will be safer for us to buy when the same level will act as the new support. Means when the resistance, right now 4600 is the resistance, so when it will become the new support, okay, then it will be better for us to buy, means buy at pullback. Okay, so 4600 will become the new support, then you can buy. Otherwise, there's a high chance of liquidity grab. If market goes for liquidity gap or SL hunting, we can look for a sell bid of 4600. And as I have already said, that as market has already tested the level couple of times, so today 4570, yesterday's level, may not be valid. And at the bottom, the levels that we have discussed in the previous videos also are still very much same. For example, 4450 is still the best support. If market crashes, this is the level where I can look for a buy position. But before 4450, we also have a support zone around 44880, 4475. Keep in mind, if market breaks also 7580, do not sell immediately because same concept. Okay, market may go down and market may come up. So here also there's a high chance of liquidity grabs. Liquidity grab, my god, okay, it has become so common these days. And scalpers, okay, I have a good news for you. There's a good chance that market may break 4528. Why? Because see, there's a gap here. Market may try to fill the gap. Right now, you can see market is trying to take support. Okay, market is trying to take support around the previous level here. But during the day, okay, after some consolidation, market, boom, market may go down. Okay, market may go down swiftly. So if it happens, you can look for a sell below 4527, 4528. Keep in mind, okay, it may be very quick. So try to be quick with your exits as well. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And as I have already said many times in my previous videos also, that gold needs to break 4600 or gold needs to break 4450, then only we will get a clear trend in the market. Right now gold is inside the range, so the trend of the market is not clear to anyone. Okay. And if you're looking at the fundamentals also, you'll see that it is changing so frequently. Okay, gold is just as middle is uncertainty, so sometimes it is looking for upside from the fundamentals, sometimes it is looking for downside. So fundamentals are also not helping us at all. Okay, so let's wait and watch. As long as market stays inside this range, okay, try to trade from level to level because day traders mostly lose money when they enter on the middle of the chart. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.